Hello everyone, this is Esomno of Online Maths. In this lesson, we will solve this problem involving bearing. So it's saying that y is 60 kilometers away from x on a bearing of 135 degrees, and z is also 80 kilometers away from the same x on a bearing of 225 degrees. We should now find the distance of z from y. Now let's start from the first sentence. Y is away from x on a bearing of 135. From where? X. So we are starting with X. Put your cardinal points. So let's call this point X. Okay? On a bearing of 135 degrees. Each of these quadrants is 90 degrees. So if you turn from here to here, you've covered 90. Then 90 plus what will give you 135. If here is already 90 degrees, it means that here should be 45 degrees. So that when you add 90 and 45, you get your 135 degrees. Okay? And the distance is 60 kilometers. So this is now point Y. So here is point Y. So Y is 60 kilometers away from X on a bearing of 135. Look at it here. We've answered that. Then Z is 80 kilometers away from the same X on a bearing of 225. From the same X. 225 means start from the north pole of X. This is the north pole. And turn through 225. This is 225 because this is 90 plus 90 is 180. 180 plus what will give you 225. Of course, 180 plus 45 will give you 225. And the length is 80 kilometers. 80 kilometers. So here is now point Z. Okay? You can now join the 2 points. Remember that each quadrant is 90 degrees, and here has taken away 45, meaning that here will also be 45, so that 45 plus 45 is 90. The sum of angle here will now be 45 plus 45, giving us 90 what? Degrees. So this is simply a right angled triangle, because a right angled triangle has one of its angles to be 90 degrees. So this is a right angled triangle. And we are asked to find the distance Z from Y. Z from Y. That is what we are looking for. Okay? So, and if here is X, here is small letter X. If here is Z, here is small letter Z. So here is small letter Y. From Pythagoras theorem, we know that X squared is equal to Y squared plus Z squared. So our X squared becomes Y squared, which is 80 squared, plus Z squared being 60 squared. Now, 80 squared is 6,400 plus 60 squared is 3,600. When you add 6,400 and 3,600, you get 10,000, meaning that X is equal to the square root of 10,000. And when you find the square root of 10,000, you are going to get 100 kilometers. Therefore, distance ZY, that is Z to Y, will be equal to 100 kilometers. And this is just the solution to this problem. Thank you for viewing, and may God bless you. Bye.